Alright guys, today we're going to be looking at the Teclast M31 tablet. Now before we get started, I must tell you about our Black Friday event coming up, where this very tablet will only be available for $142.99 with this coupon code that you'll see below. Also, one lucky person will get this product for free if they order during the time of the Black Friday event. Anyway, I'm sure you're excited to see what's inside this box. So let's get right to it and open it. So as we open the box, you see we have the tablet and we have a few compartments. Let's just take the tablet out for now, for convenience. And we'll talk about that later. So first of all, let's look inside this compartment right here. Here you have both ends, and in this end you have a charger. This one is an EU charger, and as you can see it's at 5 volts and 2.5 amps. And in this end you get a USB Type-C cable, because the tablet uses USB Type-C. Anyway, looking into the second compartment, you get this foam bit for protection, and you get all the printed information about the tablet itself. And that's pretty much what you get in the box. Anyway, let's move all this stuff to the side so we can move on to the main event, which is the tablet. So, taking the tablet out of the sheet, here it is. So exactly what are the selling points of this tablet and why should you get it today? Well, here I'm going to tell you why. This tablet is capable of doing 4G network phone calls using its SIM card slot, as you can see here. It also has a Deca-Core Helio X27 processor, as well as 4 GB of RAM and 28 GB of storage, making it a very powerful machine. It has GPS functions. It has dual brand Wi-Fi with both 2.4 and 5 connectivity, and a 2500 milliamp battery that runs the tablet for up to 8 hours. And its 10.1 inch multi-touch OGS LCD screen with a 2560 by 1600 resolution gives this tablet excellent display quality that you can't afford to miss. Along with its Momentum sound speaker, it's perfect for both watching Netflix and YouTube. And with its 5 megapixel front camera and its 2 megapixel rear dual cameras, you can capture all of your favourite moments with this tablet. First, let me demonstrate the quality of the video and the audio that you will receive with this tablet. Now let's show you how quickly and responsive the GPS is on this tablet using Google Maps. Now let's see the quality of the camera by showing you some photos. And now let's show you some video footage that I created. So this is the quality of the camera on the M30. I hope you enjoyed this little review of the Teclast M30 tablet. And also a reminder that during Black Friday, the tablet will be selling for $142.99, and one lucky person will receive that product for free if they order from us. Thank you for taking the time to listen, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week.